We got pounds all on the counter, in the spot watching the cameras. I ain't never scared to take a risk, I know life is a gamble. Can't believe they turn they back on me, they left my life in shambles. I got money, thought they'll be happy for me, they rather see me in shackles. Starting the gas, I can't go back. 50 million my average, used to work that kitchen cabinet, playing the block that used to laugh at me. Now I'm on they grabbing, back then they were laughing. Now I'm on they grabbing. And my grandma, what else she want from me? She ain't getting no young. Niggas acting like they with you, turn your back, now put them on.